Hey guys, today I've got a true cooler. It is a refrigerator essentially. Could be used commercially, could be used in a garage, in a house. In this case, we've actually been using this one in our kitchen to hold all the drinks and stuff, and we've since upgraded. So it's time to go ahead and let this one go. It's got 3 adjustable shelves there. You can see on that thermostat, we keep it right around 40. Let me see if I can, yeah, you should be able to see it there. Right around 40 degrees is where we keep it. There's an adjuster. If you see that knob up there, you can reach in and adjust that knob and get it all the way down to about 34, and it can kind of fluctuate at its coldest from 34 to 38 before it'll kick back on. But yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. There's not really a whole lot else to it. Just stack your drinks or your leftovers or whatever you want to put up in there. We did a little bit of everything. It's nice and clean, like new condition, and works perfect. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. Have a great day.